the world as it's far away. Dream a dream until